All right, court is going to go on the record. Court is calling Night Mag number 753-623, 753-624, State of Texas versus Ray De La Rosa. That party is announced for the record for the state.
Zach Dunn for the state, Your Honor.
Attorney John Garcia for response for defendant, Your Honor.
All right, and are you Ray De La Rosa?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court is in receipt of a third motion to modify terms of bond release. State, have you had a chance to review the defense's motion?
Yes, and defense and I spoke, Your Honor.
All right, and state, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, state's ready, Your Honor.
State, are you in agreement with the motion?
No, Your Honor.
All right, defense, do you have any witnesses?
Yes, we do, Your Honor. We have Mr. De La Rosa's wife.
All right, Mr. De La Rosa, if you move over to the side, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, lower your hand. You're gonna need to keep your voice up so that the court reporter can hear and so that I can hear.
Okay,
If you do not speak up, then your testimony is for naught because I cannot hear you. Do you understand?
yes.
All right, state your name for the record.
Herlinda Corte,
All right, and spell your name, please.
HERLINDA
All right, everyone, we're on the record. You need to whisper. Defense, your witness.
Yes, okay, you're the complainant in the two cases against your husband that we're asking for a bond modification for no to be changed from no contact to no harmful or injurious contact, correct?
Yes,
Okay, can you fill out affidavits of non-prosecution in both those cases?
yes, sir.
Okay, and you have no problem with that motion being approved by the judge, correct?
No, sir.
I'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
Just one clarification question. Ma'am, you came by the 5th floor of the Cadena Reef Center to drop off the aforementioned affidavit of non-prosecution, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you told the person at the front window that you were with your brother, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but does your brother have a similar Jesus tattoo on his
No.
left arm?
Well, my brothers have tattoos.
Does he
No?
have a Jesus tattoo on his left arm?
My brothers have
Your
Jesus,
Honor,
but they have Jesus on. They have bottom and top.
So my final question is, did you show up with the defendant or did you show up with your brother?
No, with my brother. I have not seen Mr. Ray De La Rosa since last year.
No further questions.
All right, any other questions?
no, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Yes.
Defense, Mr. De La Rosa, you can say. Any other witnesses?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing from defendant, Your Honor.
All right. State, you're
Yes, Your Honor.
opposed?
I apologize, Your Honor.
You're opposed?
Yes, Your Honor, we are opposed.
All right, for
Yeah.
what reason?
We have good reason to believe that they actually showed up together to drop off the AMP, which is of course a violation of the no contact order. And I think the state's position is clear only in that when you're awaiting 5 indictments and 6 cases total, we believe that just in the best interest of community safety, to not lift this, Your Honor, so that is why the state's opposed.
All right, defense,
Your Honor, my client has been following the bond conditions. He hasn't had any problems for the last 5.5 months. His wife has filed 2 affidavits of non-prosecution. She has no problem with the modification being changed from no contact to no harmful or injurious contact. My client is an older person and his spouse is an older person. They would like to be together.
how old is your client?
60.
Okay, that's not old.
I don't feel it's old. Now that you say it, I
Oh,
don't
yeah.
feel it's old. But we're asking if you could please allow for that bond modification, Your Honor.
All right, so here's my question. He has 2 cases before the court. Night Mag number 753-623. What is the charge in that case?
So fortunately, the system only pulls up the grand jury numbers, Your Honor, so I have to click into each one. I apologize.
No problem.
There's a myriad of assault seconds, so I'm gonna,
Well,
Just some.
this is what I want clarification on. The 2 cases that he's before the court now, asking that he be allowed contact with his spouse. Are those assault family second cases?
there's one, Go ahead, go ahead,
Go
Council.
ahead, go ahead.
Is one of them 753-623?
Yes,
That's an assault second.
and the other is 753-624.
753-624, Your Honor, is a violation of protective order assault stop.
All right, so now this is my next question. In each of those cases, who is the complainant? I'm assuming the complainant and the cause number ending in 23 is his wife?
Yes, Your Honor.
And who is the complainant and the cause number ending in 24?
There's Linda as well.
His wife?
His wife is his spouse as well, Your Honor.
All right. So your motion is denied. Is there anything else?
Yeah. Does the district attorney have a time frame about when the cases will be invited or?
Oh, you'll have to speak to them about that. All right, your motion is denied. Is there anything else?
Nothing present from the court, Your Honor.
All right. We can go off the record. So, Mr. De La Rosa, you have two cases. In both of the cases, your wife is the complainant.
She's not the one that complained, it was her sister. Her
Mhm.
sister's the one that complained, she's the one that called out a person. I wasn't even present.
Well, maybe your sister, well, here's the thing. Maybe your sister-in-law will come down and testify.
I hope she does.
Yes. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 009256, State of Texas versus Ray De La Rosa. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Defendant for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Attorney John Garcia first, defendant, Your Honor.
All right, does he only have one case?
Well, Judge, he has family violence cases too, and then he has one criminal trial division, DWI 30.
All right, so he's only pleading on the family violence, or is he pleading?
And I guess that's what I was coming up to see what was gonna go on with the.
Okay,
But the DWI, Your Honor.
all
I
right.
was gonna ask for a couple of weeks on that because I had just done the DPS discovery today.
Okay. All right. So in this cause number, you're Mr. Ray De La Rosa. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I believe I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, you are, Sue. We're sitting on count 2 of the indictment and we'll wait count 1.
Any objection?
That's our understanding, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. De La Rosa, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand your charge in count 2?
We will also be proceeding, excuse me, Your Honor, lesser included misdemeanor assault, family violence.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand that the state is proceeding on count 2? And they're proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, marriage cohabitation? That is a class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is anywhere from $4,000 fine up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand? Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 2, the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, marriage cohabitation. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 26 days in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $500 fine, no applications. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, and they say that this will satisfy the judgment. Did you understand that with a affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition? Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea? Defense, is that the plea?
That's our understanding of the agreement, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Then to the lesser included offense in count 2, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor, say at this time offers an evidence, say to exhibit 1 with all attachments.
Your Honor, I reviewed that information with my client and we have no objections.
And state, have you spoken to the complainant?
You've attempted, Your Honor.
All right, and what is going to happen with the other case? The 2024 CR 009261.
Those will be discussed, I have those for you.
All right, thank you. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
It's on there. On
All right, who is the complainant to you? What is your relationship with Perlinda?
What?
All right, so why are you doing this? Why did you end up hitting her? That's what I want to know. You want a jury trial?
No,
All right, is she still living with you?
no,
Okay. All right, this is what the court is gonna do. Court is gonna find you guilty as previously stated. The court is gonna sentence you to a $500 fine, time and money to run to concurrent, 26 days in the Bear County Jail, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Herlinda, HERLINDA Robles, ROBLES. And no contact with Crystal, KIRYSTAL, Nicole Alcorta. Did you review and the court will show that the judgment is satisfied. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of, and I'm sorry, there's also an affirmative finding of family violence. And because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Counsel, how much time do you need with regards to the DWI case?
I was thinking if I could get like 3 weeks, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 3-week reset for discovery on his DWI case. All right, we'll be back on March 25th for discovery. So
Thank
once you
you.
sign the reset form, you excuse. Thank you, good seeing you. How's your
Good to see you.
sister?
Good, good. Everybody's good.
Oh, that's good.
Everybody's healthy.
Oh, that's all we can ask for, right?
Definitely.
All right, just have a seat, sir, and he'll give you the reset form.
Let's get the facts straight. She loves a verbal ashtray. Never blowing smoke when she gets pissed. She's quick to castrate. Love her on a good day, love her on a bad day. Either way, she's